theorem of converse theorem. Answer. It's not ready. Converse theorem.
So exercise. So now page number 109. Exercise 9.3. So I will go with the directly. I go for the fifth and sixth question.
Let me do the fifth and sixth question. Yes. Do the fifth and sixth. Now. So this is A, B, C, D, E. And this is parallel to these two are parallel. And this is parallel.
So now what is the question? Which angles we want to find the angle? Select the isosceles triangle. Select the isosceles triangle. Select the isosceles triangle. Okay, what is the idea? So now see, these two are parallel, so this is allied angle, so this is 70. So if it is 70, this is 70 because these two are parallel, so this is transversal, so these are corresponding angles. These two are corresponding angles, so therefore 70, 70. So now these are 70, 70, that what is the isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means in a triangle the two sides are equal. So now the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. So the equal side is this is equal angle. So the opposite sides also equal. So therefore, what is the isosceles triangle? BAE is the answer because this is now equal to this.
Again, go for the sixth questions. So this is A, B, C, D, A, and this angle is X, and this is X, so this is X, and this is X. So I think
Isosceles triangles. Okay, we have to find all the isosceles triangles. Okay, now tell me. So number one, in this, what is that? What is the angle? What is the triangle? KAB. Yes, KAB. Again, because these two are equal angles, so these two sides are equal. Now, KCD. Again, in this, therefore this is 2x, so therefore this is 2x. So this is 2x, 2x. The angle opposite to the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. So therefore this also. And also what next? Third one is KBC. Fourth, we have one more. KAC. How is it KAC?
KAC இது 2x அப்ப CKA இங்கனே
KAC யா
triangle KC அதுல KCA 2x
ஓகே
CKA இது 2x தானே அந்த x தானே அந்த BKCX தானே
அப்படிமா இது இதா இந்த ஆங்கிள் சொல்றீங்களா இந்த ஆங்கிள் வந்து 180 minus 4x என்ன பிரேக் x வராது x எப்படினா we don't know சொல்லல அது எப்படி சொல்லணும் நம்ம ஆனா இப்போ பிக் triangle the triangle this one this are the big triangle KAD. This is important.
Construction చేయమన్నా సార్.
I don't know. We'll check it. Do we need to do construction? We'll check it. See AB. So we'll write. So you can try yourself first. Draw the image and do it. Data is AB equal to AC. And the bisector of this angle. So this is bisector. Second, ABO is equal to OBC, because these bisectors are under. So this is X. Again, this is also bisector. The OC is bisector of this angle. OC is bisector of this angle. So tell me what is the data? ACO is equal to OCB. Very good. OCB. Okay, that's all. The data. Okay, what is the question now? Prove BOC is isosceles triangle. It's very easy. So to prove that BOC is an isosceles triangle. How do we prove? Now to go for the proof.
Now tell you BOC is isosceles triangle. What do we need to prove? ഇത് മறைമുഖമായി എന്നത്തെ കാട്ടത്തിലാണ് ഇത് ഐസോസെലസ് ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ എന്നത്തെ കാട്ടണം ഒന്ന് OB is equal to OC എന്ന് കാട്ടണം. യെസ് ആണോ? ഏതോ രണ്ട് സമണ്ട് കാട്ടണം. ഇപ്പൊ അത് രണ്ട് സമണ്ട് കാട്ടുறதுக்கு என்ன ஐடியா இருக்கு? நமக்கு இருக்கு ஒரே ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு. என்ன ஐடியா? ஒரு ஆப்போசிட் ஆங்கிள் ഈക്വൽ കാട്ടണം. ശരി, അപ്പൊ ഇത് രണ്ടും സമമായിട്ട് കാട്ടണ്ട, ഇത് രണ്ടും സമമായിട്ട് കാട്ടണം. യെസ് ഓണോ? ഇത് രണ്ടും സമമായിട്ട് കാട്ടலாம். മീൻ இங்க பாருங்க, நான் இதை எடுக்கிறேன், இதை பையன் எடுக்கு, இதை பையன் எடுக்கு. எக்ஸும் பையன் சமன். ஏன்? ABC is isosceles triangle. This is given. So 2x is equal to 2y, so x is equal to y. So in this triangle, these two are equal. Therefore, this is isosceles triangle. Okay, do it.
So how do we have to write down? Take ABC is equal to 2x. Again, take ACB is equal to 2y. நீங்க இப்படியும் எடுக்கலாம் சார், நீங்க இப்படி கேட்கலாம் தானே சார். இது ரெண்டு 2x எடுத்து 2x எடுக்கலாம் தானே, சம்சாரிக்காங்கன்னா எடுக்கலாம். ஓகே, எஸ், யூ கேன் ரைட் டவுன் ஒன் வேர்ட்லயே எழுதலாம். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? This also 2x எடுக்கலாம், because they already given that equal. But நான் ஒரு வரி எழுதி நான் I want to say these two are equal because proof பண்றதுக்கு. Okay, so now in triangle ABC, now I am telling ABC is equal to ACB because angle opposite
Side also. In the yes.
Angle. This angle. Angle opposite equal sides. Equal side. So therefore we can represent this is 2x. We have already taken. This is 2y. So x is equal to y. X is equal to y. We prove. So again, in triangle BOC, this is A, B, C, again this is D, this is O. In triangle ABC, that with the data AB is equal to AC. Okay, that is number one. The bisector of ABC, is AD. So our Marimuha data will equal. What is the data?
B.
Huh?
Angle.
Yeah. Bisector of angle ABC and bisector of angle ACB. Okay, now they are giving the data ADO is equal to OBD. Third data is what?
ODC is equal to
OCD is equal to
OCA.
OCA. This is another data. Okay, that's all. This is meeting. To prove, what do we need to prove? We need to prove BOC is an isosceles triangle. What is BOC? Where is BOC? BOC. This one. Same idea. An idea that because these two are equal. So now we'll take. What is the idea? We can say this is. We can take as a 2x. Okay. So now proof. Take ABD is equal to x. Again take ACD is equal to 2y. Okay. So now in triangle ABC, tell me, in triangle ABC,
OBD.
now ABD is equal to x. Again ACD, that's also 2y. So now in this triangle, I want to say 2x is equal to y. Why? Because these two sides are equal. So in this triangle ABC, angle ABD equal to ACD, because what is the reasons? Angle opposite two equal sides. If you want, we can say that sides AB is equal to AC. You can say right, come up with that AB is equal to AC. Okay, good idea. So this is equal to 2x. So this is equal to 2x. This is equal to 2y. Therefore, x is equal to y. Okay. So actually, this is equal to what? This is equal to x. This is equal to y. Yes or no? This is our x. This is our y. So in this now, in this triangle OBC, the angle OBD is equal to x, the angle, okay, I will write down. So now I will come to the, in triangle OBC, we know OB, D is equal to x, OC, D is equal to y, but x is equal to y, this is proved. So therefore, OBD is equal to OCD. Okay. This is equal to y, but we proved this is x is equal to y. We proved, so OC is equal. So therefore, what is the, hence OB is equal to isosceles triangle. OB is equal to OC. What is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles. So this is side opposite equal angles. Side opposite equal angles. So hence prove that this is a triangle. What is that? BOC is an isosceles triangle. Good idea. This idea continue. Okay.